Have you ever taken a photo that looked perfect on your phone, but the moment you zoom in or try to use it online, everything falls apart? Blurry edges, lost details, pixelated faces. What if I told you that you can turn a low-quality image into a sharp, crystal-clear, professional-looking photo in just a few clicks, completely free and without losing a single detail? Today, I'm going to show you how to use a free Image Upscaler AI that can enhance photos all the way up to 8K resolution while preserving texture, sharpness, and realism. No Photoshop, no complex editing skills, no paid software. This tool is perfect for content creators, YouTubers, designers, marketers, social media users, and anyone who wants their images to look premium. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Nordy AI. Make sure you click on the official Nordy AI website. Once the site loads, click on the Sign In option. You'll see two sign-in methods available. One is sign in with Google, and the other is sign in with Discord. I'll choose Sign In with Google and log in using my Gmail account. The process is instant and secure. After logging in, you'll land on the Nordy AI dashboard. This is where all the AI tools are available. At the top, you'll find a search bar. Click on it and type 8K. From the results, select the 8K upscaler. Now scroll down slightly and you'll see the option to upload an image. Click on Upload and choose the image you want to enhance. For this tutorial, I'm using an image downloaded from a free stock photo website called pexels.com. This is a great source for copyright-free images, and it's perfect for testing AI tools like this. Once the image is uploaded, you'll notice a text box below. This text box is important because it helps the AI understand the image better and produce more accurate results. Instead of guessing what to write, we're going to use another free tool to generate the perfect image description. Open a new tab and go to imageprompt.org. Upload the same image there. After uploading, click on the Generate Prompt button. In just a moment, the tool analyzes the image and creates a detailed AI-friendly prompt describing everything in the photo, including lighting, textures, colors, environment, and style. Now, copy the generated prompt. Go back to Nordy AI and paste this prompt into the text box below your uploaded image. This step dramatically improves the final output because the AI now knows exactly what details it needs to preserve and enhance. Once everything is set, click on the Run button. Now give the AI a little time to work. Nordy AI processes the image carefully, enhancing sharpness, restoring lost details, improving edges, and increasing resolution without making the image look artificial. When the process is complete, you'll see the result on the screen. Click on Download. Now comes the most satisfying part. Open both images side by side, the original image and the upscaled image. At first glance, you'll notice the difference immediately. The upscaled image looks sharper, cleaner, and more professional. Now zoom in. Look at the details. The textures are clearer, the edges are crisp, the noise is reduced, and most importantly, the image still looks natural. This is what makes a good AI upscaler stand out. It improves quality without destroying realism. You can zoom in even further and see how well Nordy AI preserves fine details like hair, fabric, shadows, and background elements. This makes it perfect for thumbnails, Instagram posts, website images, ads, print designs, and even large-screen displays. Imagine taking an old photo, a low-resolution product image, or a compressed social media picture and turning it into something that looks professionally shot. And the best part is, you're doing all of this for free. No watermark, no complicated workflow, no steep learning curve. This tool is especially useful if you're a YouTuber who wants high-quality thumbnails, a blogger who needs sharp images, or a freelancer working with clients who expect premium visuals. And if you're into AI tools, this workflow of combining an image prompt generator with an AI upscaler gives you significantly better results than using an upscaler alone. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always use a detailed prompt when working with AI image tools. The more context the AI has, the better the output will be. Now let's talk about why this matters. In today's digital world, image quality directly affects trust, engagement, and conversions. People judge content in seconds. Sharp visuals instantly make your content look more professional and credible. With tools like Nordy AI, you don't need expensive software or advanced skills to compete with high-end designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more AI tools, tutorials, and productivity hacks. And comment below if you want a comparison video between different image upscalers or a guide on creating viral thumbnails using AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.